Hi guys, good evening. Nakauwi na kami. And Himalaya, alas 9 pa lamang. Ay, nandito kami sa bahay. Char, galing kami Suntec. Now, it's time for me to unbox my parcel. Big and heavy parcel. Wow. Yeah! This one guys, it's so heavyweight. So, I will open it na and para mamoroblema na kami tomorrow. Actually, ilang araw na itong nandito. Wala lang tayo mag-open. Or sadya ko namang inantay ang Saturday. Para kahit pa paano tayo ay maayos. Char. So, ayan na siya. Yan. Makikita nyo na yung pinaka-box niya. So, malalaman nyo na kung ano siya. It's safe. Why? Meron sa taas. Oh no, it's heavy balls. Wait lang, how we will, gilid na lang kayo natin. Should I? Oh no, okay. Okay guys, this is it. If you know, you know. Dang! Wala nang nagawa ang boss ko. Binili ko na siya. Kahit pinoproblema niya kung saan ko nga ilalagay. But, this is it, pansit. So, nakalagay ba dyan? Ang bigat guys, my God. Ito lang yung problema. Ang bigat-bigat niya. Diadem, babasa doon. Diadem plus, wait, I want to read wait lang guys. I will baliktad dito. Ito yung WMF na brand. So, Diadem Plus Value Set. Durable and robust for everyday use. Wow, it's really heavy guys. So, let's see. Medyo ibaba na natin. Hayaan nyo na akong Fushols tea. Yan, hindi naman ako makikita. So, syempre, ang unang lalabas is itong kanilang brochure, manual. So, syempre, nandito ang mga sosyaling like that. Mga ganyan, garine. So, nice. Next is, of course, oh my God, I'm so happy. Meron pang isang, manual brochure. Tcharam! Okay guys, how I will do this? I want to focus on this one, but wait ha. Actually, nakapalda kasi ako ngayon. Anyway, ayan na. Let's try to, yan, dyan. Let's open it. It's first, ang ating saucepan. Oh my God. Hindi na mabubuksan. Charis. Ang ating saucepan na napakabigat. Lumapit ka dito. Yan. Yan na lang. Ang ating saucepan. So nice. My God. Kailangan kong bumili ng mga nakalimutan kong bumili ng mga pot holder. Next is, ito syempre yung mga takip. Teka. Dalawa na yung takip ko dito, but wait, let me get the others muna. Okay. So, ito yung takip ng saucepan. Ayan, may takip silang lahat. And then, next one is this one. Ang ating pakuluan pang isa. Gawin natin yung takip. Is it the correct one? Okay. Next is ito na yata yung pinakamalaki. And, of course, nandito rin yung isa pang takip. Ito na yata yung pinakamalaki. And, oh my God, guys. Wait, let's just put it muna din. Bago natin isa-isa yan. Isasarado natin yung box. Let's just show you. I want to show you. At ito naman ang ating pang-bigating, pakuluan ng egg. Wow. Ito ba yan? Of course, no. Oh! I think this one is here. Oh, at least Etong maliit na takip is pwede siya dito at dito, I guess. Yeah, right. Kasi wala naman siya talagang takip nga, yung saucepan. Yeah, I think hiraman sila. Yan o, perfect. Okay. Then, the next naman is itong gitna. Okay, so let's close the box and use the top to show you all the yeah. Okay. Let's close it properly. Okay. So, you can go back na there. Okay, guys. Then, so, ipapakita ko nga sa inyo yung pinakamalaki muna. So, ito siya. Tanggalin na natin yung mga plastic. Just to show din lang naman. And, kita nyo naman, meron yung mga tatak. Ayan, nasa mga takip. Let's see. Yung nasa loob. My God, how you will use it? Magagasgasan, charis. So, ayan, meron din siyang tatak dito sa ilalim. Yung kanyang brand, of course, and kung saan siya pwede magamit. Ewan kung nakikita nyo. But, yep. And then, meron din siya dito ang tatak. Nasaan na yun? Ito. Yan. So, ito yung pinakamalaki. Open natin. Let's just put sa side. Then the next one is, which one is the next one? Is it this one? Okay, let's see. I'm not so sure, but let's see. Okay, this is the next one. Yeah. I guess. Or maybe not. Let's see. Everything. Something is like vibrating or what. But wait lang. And then, ang takip nito, I think is this one. Which is which? I don't know. Ang basta magdi-decide. So, okay. So, ito nga yung next. Tama ako. I will baliktad the takip. So, I can put this one. And next is this one here. Wait, let's put it up a bit. That nawawala na sa... Yan. And next is itong pinakamaliit. Patay talaga ako sa char. Pero nakita na namin ito actually sa Boogies. Pinakita ko sa kanya yung itsura. Although mabilisan lang. But it's okay. I know we will use it. Okay. So, I guess, wait lang, may tatry lang ako, guys. Ito ay mataas na. So, it's the same one, I think, same size, but ito'y taller. I guess, I don't know. Char. So, yan. Lagyan mo ulit natin ang pabaliktad para mailagay ito. Oh, baliktad pala yung isa. And the saucepan. Oh my God, I love it. And that's it. I guess everything is perfect. Wow. And ito nga, kasya siya dito. Ayan. So, it's so nice. Oh my God, I'm so in love. So, that's it, guys, for my new kawali. Char. Ano nga tag sa ganito? It's not kawali na naman. Kawali is the pritosan. Kawali. Kaldero. Kawali nga. Anyway, so ayan na guys. Excited na ako magluto gamit to. I'm so happy. I'm so in love. Oh my God. Char. So ngayon, syempre ang aming isipin na lang ay kung paano namin ito isisiksik.
Kaya naman pwede mong patasin ng
Sa aming ilalim.
Kaya naman pwede mong patasin ng
Hindi siya pwedeng sama-sama.
Why? Hindi ka siya?
Yeah.
Can I see?
Kasya no? Oo. May test pa. Dapat kasi bumalik muna ako ng isang tawag yun? Ng bogies. Bago ko binili.
Bakit?
Para mag-test yung kasya-kasya. Magagasgas eh. Cheers. Ito muna.
Eh? So cannot that one? Oh, what is it? I told you. You have two
But
rows.
this one only.
You have 2 rows.
Why I need 2 rows? It's just one. Just put it there behind.
2. Diyan ipatas yan.
Saan?
Yung mali.
Ito?
Yeah.
Why I need 2 rows kung pwede natin naka-side lang. So you just put it. You know why? Because this one and this one is
Same size?
same size. It's just that if you want to pakulo something or what, this one is the saucepan. And then the takip is, ay makulit siya. The takip is one only. Because it's
For same
saucepan,
size.
it's no takip. And this is the dilemma. For this one and this one, which is which? Any?
I think so. Then you change.
It can fit also.
Then I guess it's the same size.
Same size. Oh, like this. Yeah, it's the same one. That's why you cannot tap on it. Is it? Let's see. I'm not so sure. Pero, I guess eh. Kasi nga doon sa takip magkano siya. Yeah, cannot. Yun yung pinakaisip-isip ng boss ko kung paano nga siya i-store. Kasi nga, feeling niya hindi siya magkakasya. Although, I know naman nga na hindi siya magkakasya. But at least itong tatlong to, abot pa rin naman siya doon sa patasan namin. Kasi nga, kung tatanggalin na namin yung lahat, grabe, nakakano siyang gamitin. Chares. Sabi na ba? So, kung hindi mo pala siya gamitin, anahin natin yan. Wala lang. Ano lang, display. Display yarn. So, balik lang natin dahil papayta ko na mother dear. Kung gising pa ng aking mother dear, dahil siya may mga nandun ang kanyang mga kamahal-mahal ang mga apo. So, I don't know kung makasagot pa siya ng phone. Thank you guys. Bye. Can you pindot it?